Epic Games giving much cool things for free. Okay guys, all you need to do, just log in on your Epic Games launcher on your PC app and you will see much cool things here. Epic extras, free packs, trails and more. And you will see epic extras. Also watch the video how to get Hogwarts Legacy for free. Just move here epic extras and you will see mystery games are coming. You can get cool things here like Fortnite Rap, Fall Guys this cool skin, Rocket League this cool green wheels, Discord Nitro, just watch my last video, and much cool things for games are here. Asphalt, Speedstorm, Neverwinter pack. Just open your Epic Games app and claim this all for free. Go claim for free and do the same again for all. And go here get. Do the same for all games and all extras. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you love this cool stuff on Epic Games.